Mike Hughes here. I'm at Fantasy Island Beach Resorts, and I'm down in, what part of the woods is this?
Roatan.
Roatan. Okay, and as you can see, it's kind of a little private island.
21 acres of private island we have just off the coast of Roatan. Great place to come if you're looking for a dive vacation.
Now, there's quite a few dive sites just around the island.
Absolutely. Take a look over at the reef where the water's breaking on the left-hand side. All the dive sites are just going to be along there.
Right along the reef, coming around. And then also, isn't there a wreck somewhere else in the inside here?
Just off of that gazebo down there in the bottom corner.
Look for that gazebo.
Our Prince Albert wreck.
Prince Albert.
That is our shore dive at Fantasy Island.
And yeah, everybody likes to do that. And you see all the boats lined up on this side of the island.
Also a marina as well we offer services for. So if you have any friends or if you know anybody that's coming sailing in that area, you're more than welcome to stay with us.
Now, about how many people do you keep at the island at one time or can stay there?
We have 150 rooms. 150
rooms. So that's quite a few people. But you can vary off depending on which beach location you go to. Well, you can very often not see the other people too much. Now, what's the most requested dive out that way?
The most requested dive is going to be Mary's Place, so that's heading up towards the west, just before the cruise ship over there.
Okay, just before the cruise. And why is that such a popular spot?
Mary's Place is one of the popular dives on the south side of the island because it's swim-throughs. It was made by an earthquake. There's some crevices there, so you can go through, and you have a wall on either side of you while you're swimming through the cracks.
Okay, cracks, crevices, walls, all in one spot. That's pretty
perfect
fantastic.
Diving.
Okay, cool. And is it usually a 1 week trip that they go on here?
We'd love to have you for longer than that.
Okay, if you can stay, do it for longer. And it's convenient for airport over?
Absolutely, yeah. We're about 20 minutes drive away from the airport.
Okay, you don't actually have to swim.
The easiest place to get there from.
Right.
Miami also does flights.
See. Okay, cool. I think that pretty much wraps it up. Oh, no. If they want more information about Fantasy Island Beach Resort?
FantasyIslandResort.com.
Okay, thank you very much.